theme for all of this. So my first one here, the theme for the lesson that we're going to take part in now for the next half an hour or so is an introduction to working safely in the office. Okay? As a non-Welsh speaker, what I've done is I've gone and asked the translator or Kelly to help me with some of my slides. So the slides are available up there bilingually. Okay. Right, and these are our objectives. We're going to look at the basic health and safety issues associated with using one of these things and explain how to position the desk and chair and computer for healthy posture, and explain how correct work practices can help to avoid strain or injury when using a piece.
There's certain words that stand out and I know what they are in English. So.
Okay. I mean, the irony actually, Andrew, which words there look really unfamiliar to you?
Leol, desk.
Yeah. Yeah. What does it mean, do you think?
Position.
Position. Okay, yeah. I mean, for the English speakers as well, everything there is familiar, isn't it? This sort of terminology here.